Hello friends. Editing videos with long pauses is a pain, right? What if I told you CapCut can help you remove silences faster without scrubbing through the whole video? Let me show you a super simple way to spot and delete silent parts using CapCut's Auto Caption tool. So let's start. First of all, import a video on your timeline just like this. So the video has been imported right now, as you can see. Now you just have to click on this video, make sure it is highlighted, and then click on this transcript option here. So if I click on transcript here, as you can see, it is transcribing the whole video. It will give a summary of the whole video and it will automatically filter out pauses and everything for you. So as you can see, the summary is here and it will show you step by step where you are talking right now. You just have to click on this option, which is remove filter words. If I click on that, it will ask you how many filter words have been identified. So no hesitations, no repetition, and there are 7 pauses. As you can see, it will give you the pause timings as well. So if you go there, you can able to see where the pause exactly is in the video. As you can see, I have a pause here, I have a pause here, and here. So it will give you exact location of the pauses. If I hit this option, it will remove the pauses. So as you can see, the pauses have been removed, all of them, and the video will be shortened and more smooth. If you want to not remove the pauses, if you are doing something, you can always increase the videos or decrease the videos as well from here. As you can see, I will just zoom it in a little bit. So you can see the pause is here, the video ends here, but this part is paused, so it will come like this. But suppose if you're doing something in the video and you want that part as well, you can just increase that and it will come as the full video. So it does not delete everything, it just gives you a smooth and better effect for the video. And this trick is a game changer for long videos. So thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe and hit that bell icon. If you have any comments, please leave in the comment box and see you in the next one.